Hi everyone! Today I have a hello and toast idea for breakfast, lunch or even as a snack. It would also make a tasty appetizer. These toasts are perfect for making with your kids. It's such a fun activity and also healthy. You can have a blast creating different faces and spooky features. Let's dive in and get started. You'll need 4 slices of bread. Cut out a pumpkin face shape on 2 of slices and set them aside. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of whole milk, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. You can use any spices you prefer. Dip the slices of bread into the egg mixture. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Next, add some butter and olive oil to the skillet. Then, place the toasts and cook them about 2 minutes until browned on both sides. For the whole slices of bread, add some cheese and cover with a lid. Continue to cook for about 2 more minutes until the cheese melts. Take the cheese toast off the heat. And spread 2 teaspoons of pesto and top it with cacao toast. For the finishing touch, I use pesto to decorate the pumpkin face. But feel free to get creative and decorate it however you like. And there we have it! Tasty Halloween thematic toast ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.